The action was good. It helped us run more things and make us happy, and you know that we should keep our body clean to stay healthy and to keep away ourselves from diseases. You too, you could come and enjoy with us because we're so excited and happy. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ndera. I'm from Ecole de Musave. Today we had an event from a campaign, and it was very interesting. It was very fun. We enjoyed too much. They showed us how to wash our hands well. I think you can come with us and we enjoy together. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. My name is Fidel Ngabire. I'm the director of this school. We visited Ecole de Musave, and we really enjoyed your visit. Because of this hand washing campaign, it helps us and it helps our kids to know how they can wash their hands properly and how they can fight against this Ebola which is an outbreak nowadays. Thank you very much.